Hello everybody. Today we will study about the diesel power plant. So basically diesel power plant comes under a thermal power plant. So in this we will see the introduction of the IC engine, means in which category your diesel engine comes. So and about the basic functions of the that diesel engine and the plant layout of the diesel power plant. So introduction about the diesel power plant is that means it produces the power in the range of 2 to 50 megawatt, means power requirement is less. If then there will be the diesel power plant can be used as a central station for supply authorities and the work. Again, this diesel power plant can be used as a standby sets for continuous supply, such as for the hospitals, telephone exchange, radio stations, cinema theaters, industries, uh, educational buildings. Because if there is a power failure, means alternate arrangement is for the quick response. There will be the diesel power plant. So they are suitable for mobile power generation and widely used in railways and ships. So this power plant, diesel power plant, is a mobile type. Then we can mobilely use the diesel power plant at more than one location. So again, it is used for the peak load plants, mobile plants, standby units, emergency plants, starting stations, means for the starting the stations, other stations, central stations, industries where power requirement is less than 500 kilowatt. So emergency plants means it is also called as a quick response power plant. As compared to others, this is a quick response power plant. So as per the advantages are concerned, design and installation are very simple. It occupies less space as compared to the other power plants. No problem of ash handling, because ash is not generated here, which is generated, which is a big problem in thermal power plants, steam power plants we can say. More disadvantages of this will be your high operating cost, because fuel requirement is high. Lubrication and maintenance cost is very much high, because it having the movable parts and rotating parts. So capacity is limited. We cannot construct the diesel power plant on large size or large scale. So again, it can be used, application we can say that it can be used for the peak load plants, not for the base plants. So list of diesel power plants in India is given here. We have states Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Karnataka, Andaman Nicobar, Jammu and Kashmir, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Sikkim, and the capacities are also given. So basically diesel power plant, diesel engine, which is a main part of diesel power plant, comes under the heat engine. It is a type of heat engine that is drives the heat energy from the combustion of the fuel and convert it into the mechanical. Means diesel engine converted mechanical energy from the heat engine, and after that, that mechanical energy is converted into electrical using the our generator. So it is again comes under the type of the internal combustion engine, and again it is a four stroke. It is working on the diesel cycle, that is combustion at constant pressure takes place, means heat addition at constant pressure takes place. It can be your arrangement of cylinder, maybe depend on your type. Uses is also there. Fuel, it is a using the diesel as a fuel. So it can be your low speed, medium speed, or high speed. It can be your air cooled, water cooled, single cylinder or multi cylinder. So diesel engine model is given here. Here we can see the diesel engine model, where air is coming in from the intake manifold, and a fuel injector is provided there, where when the compression stroke takes place, the air is compressed at high pressure, because we know that high compression ratio required for the diesel engine for the self ignition. So fuel is mixed with the air in the at the end of the compression stroke, and after that, due to high compression ratio, the fuel ignite itself, and the power stroke, we get the power stroke where the crankshaft is rotated, means mechanical energy is produces. And after that, the exhaust gases, at the end of the power stroke, that leaves the chamber cylinder, and with the help of silencer it lives in the atmosphere. So this is a basic of the diesel engine model. We will see now the diesel plant layout of the diesel power plant. So this is your basic diagram of your diesel engine power plant, where the main components are fuel storage tank. We can see from the diagram that fuel storage tank is far away from the diesel engine site, means where the actual working of the diesel engine, the fuel storage plant is far away from that, due to the hazardous nature of the fuel if a fire ignites and other problems created in the diesel cycle. So fuel tank should be located away from the diesel engine actual cycle. So here we can see lubricating oil. This is your lubricating oil. This is diesel engine cycle. Actually cooling system is there, water cool and oil cool system. So from fuel storage tank we can supply a day wise fuel to the diesel engine. So day tank is available there for, as we know that from the diesel engine that we required air, compressed air. So air compressor is also there for the air supply. Fuel is for the fuel, and after that they combine in the diesel engine and ignition takes place. Where the ignition takes place, uh, then the power source is generated, then the crankshaft is connected to your generator, and then after that generator generates the electricity from the mechanical work that is produces from the generator, yeah, diesel engine. So and the exhaust gas is coming out from the silencer, leaves in the atmosphere. Also there is a lubrication system, that is a lubricating oil tank required, because we there are moving parts and there are movable parts, so lubrication system is required. Also the cooling system is required, because the temperature of the cylinder when combustion takes place is much more than 1000 degrees Celsius. So heat transfer should be required, because there should be no damage to the instruments, so heat transfer is required. So water cool system is also there. Cooling water is provided, heat exchanger is provided, oil cooler and coolants water are provided for the cooling system. So this is basics about your diesel engine power plant. So main are fuel storage tank, lubricating oil tank, water cool tank, your diesel engine and generator, and the space required for this is very limited, means compact size we can use here. So thank you for diesel engine power plant.